Do you have tinnitus and find that it's hard to fall asleep? Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. And if you are not able to rest and restore properly every night, you're going to have difficulties habituating to your tinnitus. So let's talk about things that you can do in the evening to help you sleep better. So first and foremost, you want to have some sort of sound in your environment. It could be a soothing sound like the sound of the ocean waves or crickets. It could just be background sound like pink noise or white noise or a fan in your room, right? Having some sort of sound in your environment is going to give your brain something else to listen to while you're trying to fall asleep. And I would keep that sound on all night. Don't set a timer, just let it run all night. One of the worst things you can do is actually sit in your bed and scroll on your phone before trying to go to sleep. Those lights can make it difficult for you to transition to bedtime. So if you can, an hour before you're going to bed, yes, a whole hour, don't be on your phone, your tablet, computer, TV screen, all of that, right? Get rid of those lights. In relationship to lights, when you're going to bed, the room should be dark, it should be cool. Your body temperature should be cool. So don't work out just before bed and don't take a hot shower or a hot bath. Doing these things over time is going to help you to fall asleep easier every night. It's not going to be a quick fix. If your body is not used to falling asleep easily, it can kind of fight you in the beginning, but stick with it. Create a bedtime routine. You're going to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every morning. This is going to signal your body that it's time for bed. Again, doing these things on a consistent basis is going to help you to get better sleep overall, which isn't going to just help you with your tinnitus, right? We know that getting good, restful sleep is good for your mental health. It's good for your physical health. So it's just good to get better sleep. All right, friends, I hope this was helpful. If you have questions on hearing healthcare related topics, please leave those in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.